Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are making Punjabi dhaba style sarson ka saag. If you are visiting for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. We will use one bunch of Rapini leaves which are easily available in Europe and North America throughout the year. Rapini leaves are nutritious and low in calories. We will be using leaves, but please do not throw stems and crowns. You can use it for vegetable stock. We also need one bunch of spinach leaves. Blanch the leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the leaves are boiled, drain and pour the cold water. Add ice cubes. This will help to retain green color of leaves. We will use onions, tomatoes, garlic, green chilies and lots of ginger to get flavors. Heat the pan and add some oil. Now add onions, tomatoes, garlic, green chilies and ginger. Cover the pan and cook till onions turn translucent. Add the blanched leaves and saute for 2 minutes. Turn the gas off and let the mix cool down. Make the smooth puree of mixture in a grinder. Look at the beautiful green color of the saag. Heat the pan and add some oil. Add finely chopped onions and saute for few minutes. Then add turmeric and saag. Add some water but keep the saag thick. Add garam masala, cumin, coriander seeds powder, salt to taste. Top up with some butter. Our delicious Punjabi dhaba style saag is ready. Serve hot with rotis or naan. If you like this dish, please subscribe to my channel.